In this video, I'm going to explain how much the YouTube TV base plan costs and what it includes. As of now, the YouTube TV base plan starts at $72.99 per month, making it one of the most comprehensive live TV streaming options available. For this price, you get access to over 100 live TV channels, including major networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, FOX, ESPN, CNN, HGTV, and more. The exact channel lineup varies depending on your location, but it also includes local broadcast stations and regional sports networks, RSNs. The base plan comes with key features like unlimited cloud DVR storage, which lets you record shows and keep them for up to 9 months, and support for up to 3 simultaneous streams. You can also create up to 6 user profiles, each with personalized recommendations and DVR libraries. If you're looking for premium add-ons like Showtime, Stars, or Sports Plus, those come at an additional cost. However, the base plan alone provides a robust package for live TV and on-demand content. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand the cost of the YouTube TV base plan, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.